Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the split screen on your Redmi mobile. So in this video, I am using Redmi 4A, the low budget phone with a great quality. But before you do this, you have to remember you must have Miui 9 updated in your phone to use this feature. Okay, what you have to do next is, as you can see, I have a few running applications in the background. So what you have to do is go back to your home screen, press the menu button on your phone, and you can see on the top left on your phone screen there is a split screen menu. Choose one of the application that you want to put on your top screen and choose another one for the bottom screen. You can see that both screens is functioning so well. I remember the first time I am using this application is on the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. If you want to go back to single screen, just drag the border in the middle and there you go. So that's all guys, this is very impressive and Redmi is really doing well to bring the application features to all range of their phones they produce, and this makes Redmi gain so much support from the Android community. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.